Kapalbhati, a breathing exercise in yoga that is said to have many physical and mental health benefits. The word Kapalbhati comes from Sanskrit word Kapala, which means skull, and Bhati, which means shining or illuminating. To begin with, sit in Padmasana. Place your palms on the knees facing upwards. Form any mudra of your choice with your eyes closed and body relaxed. Inhale deeply through both nostrils and expand your belly, filling air inside it. Exhale with a force you are comfortable with. Forcefully contract your abdominal muscles without moving your chest or shoulders. Keep your spine erected throughout the pranayama. Continue with rhythmic breathing, alternating active exhalation and passive inhalation. Repeat 100 to 180 times minimum. If your stomach hurts or you get tired before completing 100 to 180 counts, take a break of 20 seconds and continue to finish the count. Increase the count as you get comfortable. Keeping a track of how you have improved over time helps to encourage you to be consistent and stay healthy. It improves concentration and memory, energizes the brain and declutters the mind, prevents and cures acne, clears clogged pores, and gives skin a radiant glow by maintaining a hormonal balance. Improves the respiratory system and lung capacity, improves digestion, absorption and assimilation of nutrients, increases metabolic rate and reduces abdominal fat. It stimulates the pancreas to produce insulin and lowers blood glucose, which is great for diabetic patients. It relieves constipation, boosts the immune system to fight disease causing microbes, reduces stress which can interfere with sleep, soothes sinus and asthma, strengthens the function of the liver and kidneys, stops hair loss and prevents premature graying. Kapalbhati should be done on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning or 2 to 3 hours after meal if done in the evening. It should be done after your daily physical exercise or yoga routine. Avoid practicing Kapalbhati immediately after eating or if you are suffering from viral infections. Not to be practiced by women who are either pregnant or are in their menstrual cycle. That was it. Keep practicing yoga and pranayam every day.